Welcome to dishwasherusa.com. Is your dishwasher not draining? Don't call a plumber just yet. A clogged dishwasher is a common problem, and you can often fix it yourself with a few simple steps. I'm here to walk you through the process from start to finish. First things first, safety is key. You can do this by unplugging it from the wall socket or by switching it off at your home's circuit breaker. This is a crucial step you should never skip. Once the power is off, it's time to deal with any standing water inside. Now, grab some old towels and place them on the floor around the dishwasher to catch any spills. Use a cup or a small bowl to bail out as much of the water as you can. Getting all that murky water out will make the next steps much cleaner and easier. Check your user manual if you're not sure where yours is or how to remove it. Once you have it out, take it to the sink. Make sure you get all the debris out of the mesh screen. A clean filter is essential for proper drainage. If cleaning the filter and sump didn't do the trick, the next place to check is the drain hose. To check, you'll need to disconnect the drain hose from the disposal. If it's sealed, you'll need to use a screwdriver and a hammer to gently knock the plug out. With the hose still disconnected from the disposal, place the end into a bucket and detach the other end from the dishwasher. Again, your user manual can be a great guide here. Take it outside or to a large sink and run high-pressure water through it. You can also use a long, flexible brush or a straightened-out wire coat hanger to gently push through any blockages. Be careful not to puncture the hose if you use a wire hanger. After you've cleared it, reattach the hose securely at both ends, making sure the clamps are tight to prevent any leaks. The hose should loop up towards the underside of your countertop before it connects to the drain. This high loop prevents water from the sink from flowing back into your dishwasher. Securing it in a high loop position can sometimes solve the problem entirely. If you've cleaned the filter, the sump, and the drain hose, and you're still having issues, the clog might be further down the line in your home's plumbing. A common spot is the air gap. If you have one, that's the small metal cylinder on your countertop near the sink. Pop the cover off and clean out any debris you find inside. If all else fails, you can try a homemade cleaning solution. Once you've reassembled everything, pour a cup of baking soda into the bottom of the dishwasher, followed by a cup of white vinegar. Let it sit and fizz for about 15 to 20 minutes. This reaction can help break down grease and small food particles. After it's done fizzing, pour a pot of hot not boiling water down the drain and see if that clears the remaining blockage. Now, let's talk about prevention, because nobody wants to deal with this twice. The best way to prevent clogs is to be mindful of what goes into your dishwasher. Always scrape large food scraps off your plates before loading them. Your dishwasher is not a garbage disposal. Things like bones, seeds, pasta, and rice can easily cause clogs. Also, make it a habit to clean your dishwasher filter regularly. For most households, once a month is a good rule of thumb. It only takes a few minutes, and it's the single most effective thing you can do to keep your dishwasher draining properly. Running a cleaning cycle with a dedicated dishwasher cleaner every month can also help dissolve grease and mineral buildup in the internal parts, including the drain hose. So, let's do a quick recap. First, turn off the power. Second, remove the standing water. Third, clean the filter and the sump area. Fourth, check the drain hose for blockages and ensure it has a high loop. Fifth, check the garbage disposal connection and the air gap. And finally, if needed, try a baking soda and vinegar solution. By following these steps, you can tackle most dishwasher clogs on your own and save yourself the cost of a service call. It might seem intimidating at first, but it's a very manageable DIY project. Thank you for watching. For more dishwasher reviews, tips and hacks, visit dishwasherusa.com.